Alright, so we got the eggs off. Hash browns are out of the toaster. Pancakes are out of the toaster. Waffle patties or waffle buns are in there. Chicken patties are still cooking. Everything else is coming along pretty good. And I figured what I do now is, while we're watching this stuff cook, maybe like I'll tell you what our plans are for the weekend, right? So, if you follow the channel, you'll notice I uploaded a lot of manuals, mostly for the Nintendo DS. But I'll keep uploading more manuals as I go. There's two board games that I'm working on. One is Colonels and Commanders, the other is a Pokemon board game. And I am getting the figures for that, so if you do follow like the community tab on the channel, you'll see pictures of all the little Pokemon figures I have. I've got more of those on the way, and I'll post them when I have them. But I want to get the rulebook for the Pokemon game and the Colonels and Commanders game done. Get more manual scans up. The website, I'm going to try and host more content on there, and we'll connect everything, and then hopefully we should be good. This is a new recipe I wanted to try for a while, and I'll let you know when it's done.